Summer is well underway, guys, and we can all agree that it's a sweltering one. Don't know what we're going to do come August, but instead of sweating your weekend away, head to the kitchen and blend up a few refreshers. Sheldon Spencer of Green Haze joins us now. Good morning, Sheldon.
Good morning.
So I heard that you are a graduate of the J. Ray and Nephew Bar Academy.
Yes, I am.
So that means you know everything there is to know about everything there is to know about rum.
I wouldn't say everything, but most things.
Most things.
Yes.
What was it like there?
It was quite an experience. We have very educated instructors that have in-depth knowledge as it comes to rum. For example, they've been to the Upton Estate down in St. Elizabeth, so they know it comes straight from the sugar cane to the bottle of rum that we see in every bar.
Oh, they know the entire journey and how
Every
it's distilled
journey.
and all of that stuff.
Yeah.
So they teach you how to do the thingy?
What's it? Is it mixologist?
I am a mixologist.
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah, I like that term. So what are we preparing today?
Today we'll be preparing some non-alcoholic beverages that everyone can do at home. That just to cool them down for the summer, to make them feel nice. Yeah, I'm a bartender. I want to go in a bar tomorrow night. That's what we'll be doing.
So here's an option, because they said yesterday that alcoholic drinks dry you out. They don't cool down your thirst at all. So this is an option for us if we're thirsty and want
Right.
something nice to drink. It's a,
Yes.
a mocktail.
It's a mocktail.
Ah, you know what term me know? Ah. Okay, all right. So let's go. Show us the first one.
All right, so what we'll be preparing right now is what's called summer colada.
Summer colada.
Yes.
Got it.
The summer colada, it will consist of a pina colada mix, just a little pineapple juice, and then ice, little water, and we'll shake it.
All right, let's go.
All right? So who wants to do this?
Oh, I get to do
She
this
can do
one?
it, man.
Okay,
Yes.
let me do this one.
She's good at mixing these things.
All right, so we're going to start with this.
Uh-huh.
Now we're going to use 2 ounces of this.
What measures the ounce? Oh, this is one
This
full
does.
ounce?
Yes,
Where's
up
the
here,
line
1
that
full
says
ounce.
1 ounce? Pull it up?
Straight to the brim.
Oh, okay. All right.
This
This have a shake up?
Yes.
Okay. And I have to fill it all the way up
2
to
ounces
the
of
top.
pina colada mix.
That's right.
And then fling it in.
That's right.
And then how much pineapple juice?
1 more.
Oh, 2.
Yeah,
that's
that
a 1
was
ounce.
2.
There you go.
And then
2 ounces
2 ounces.
pineapple juice.
Okay. And since it's going in the same cup, I can just use the.
Yes, you may.
And of course, well, big up Grace and Tropical
In your
Remix, 'cause they're
family,
bad.
we just pour everything
Yes,
in.
I know, Dwayne. You don't measure things. 1, 2.
All right, now we'll just be using a little bit of water,
How much water? Like an ounce?
like ½ ounce.
Half ounce. Okay, I got that.
So I'll go in.
This is so easy, guys. Anybody can try this. That's what half, right?
That's half.
See that?
All right, so now we'll be adding some ice.
I'll do the ice.
Okay.
So use and add the ice. This?
Nope,
Oh.
we use this.
Dwayne, I can't.
How many
manage
ice
it.
cubes? 2?
Put the ice in here?
You can put it in there in the glass, but us bartenders will have to put it in our shaker tin.
Okay. Are you a drink that here?
You just pour it on the ice,
Pour this on this?
yes, and then just close the glass, tap the
You
tap
know-
the base.
I'm not
A
good at
little
this things.
harder
I'm
than-
very clumsy, you know.
Would you like me to
Okay. All right, Dwayne. I almost know.
Tap the
Shake.
base.
shake it?
I want to mix one.
She was a shoulder.
Ounce.
Oh, done?
Just a
Shake
little
them
bit, just a little bit. Now you're gonna serve it in your glass.
Shake body.
But what we'll do first, we want to give it a little pop.
Color.
So a little color, a little
And
pop.
what's that?
This is strawberry syrup.
Okay.
Okay.
So you'll just
Drizzle.
glaze the base of the glass.
How am I get this out?
Just like that.
Okay. And then I must do it like a bartender.
Just pour it on.
No, wait. I have to do it like Uno. Okay. That's not gonna work.
So now we'll just add a little more pineapple juice to
To fill up the cup.
Yeah,
Can I use a different juice, man?
you may.
And that one is called the Summer
Colada.
Colada. Oh, look at the colors.
That's right.
It's
And of
so
course,
pretty.
no drink is complete without cherry.
Can I do it?
You may.
All done. What are you making?
Doing the same with a different mix.
No man, it's not the same thing. This is extra colada. Same thing. So something completely
You have
different.
another, but he had another drink to show us how to make it.
Oh.
I just used
I'm using the cup?
Yeah.
Use the cup.
Okay, what was the other drink that you had us mixing?
All right, so the other drink, it will be a lime squash.
A lime squash.
Now, lime squash is something that is known by a lot of people. What we'll be doing is, let me just shift this.
Okay, you're just making a lot of noise. Okay, what's a lime squash here?
So the lime squash is similar to a lemonade, except it's a bit more refreshing because it's using carbonated water, or in this case, soda water.
Okay.
All right, so we'll be adding some lime juice.
Yeah, we don't have much time, so you have to do this one fast. How about you do it and do it fast? We only have 2 minutes, so.
So I'm supposed to drink it? Why not look like that?
Because you made your own look yucky.
Add a little more juice to it.
So you have a little lime juice.
A little lime juice. Then we'll be using some simple syrup, which is basically liquid sugar.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And then with that, we can add some lime to it, but that would be just for the garnish.
Right. So now it's just the carbonated water.
Right.
Move the pineapple so you can see it.
Of course, whenever pulling carbonated beverages.
Be careful.
Just open it, man. Just open it.
And then it end up look like your drinks. And fill it up.
Now, we want to add some ice. All right,
I can do that.
pretty hot.
Oh, so mint goes in that?
No, not in this one.
Oh, okay. You can do that, Dwayne. Can't spoil that.
Yeah,
You need one more
some
cube,
more.
no? It's a mean ice.
I shot these days.
There you go. Look at that. So we have 2 awesome drinks right here. And of course, if we want to find out how to make any of these drinks, is there anywhere we can go?
Sure, I mean, they say everything's on Google these days, but
Okay.
of course, you can always ask a local bartender.
And of course, if I want to be a part of this fantastic J. Ray and Nephew Bar Academy, how do I do that?
Well, all you have to do is to contact anyone at Ray and Nephew, or most bartenders. They've
And they
been
can
through
give
it.
you that kind of
Right.
information. Well, there you have it, guys. Operations Manager of Green Haze, Sheldon Spencer. And you know where to go if you want to learn how to be a...
Mixologist. School hard? It's hard?
You have to be dedicated.
Yeah,
You can try.